Check out this 2012 Toyota Tundra Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power folding mirrors, passenger airbag, front reading lamps, traction control, AM/FM stereo, sliding rear window, MP3 player, and intermittent wipers. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.